Hi everyone! In this video we will add and subtract square roots that need simplification. Simplify 6 square root of 12y to the 8th minus 1/10 square root of 75y to the 8th. The first thing we need to look for is inside the radical to see if there are any perfect squares. 12 is not a perfect square, but it does have a perfect square factor. We can break it into 4 times 3, and 4 is a perfect square. 3 is not, but y to the 8th is also a perfect square. And we'll keep our 6 out front. Let's go ahead and break apart the 75 now. 75 is 25 times 3, and 25 is a perfect square. So 25 times the square root of 3, and again, y to the 8th is also a perfect square. Now we can go ahead and simplify these radicals. The square root of 4 is 2, and we still have the 6, and the square root of 3 does not simplify, but the square root of y to the 8th does simplify to be y to the 4th minus 1/10 times the square root of 25 is 5. The square root of 3 does not simplify, so it stays, and the square root of 8 is again y to the 4th. Let's go ahead and continue simplifying. Let's start on the left-hand side. So we have 2 times 6, which is 12. And let's go ahead and bring y to the 4th since it's not under the radical up front. And then we'll keep square root of 3. The second part, we have 1/10 times 5. We can simplify these by dividing both by 5, giving us 1 here and 2 here. Multiplying those together, we get 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 is the only thing left in the denominator. Again, let's bring the y to the 4th to the beginning, and the square root of 3 does not simplify. Now that we've simplified as much as we can notice that we have the exact same variable and radical makeup. Y to the 4th square roots of 3. That means that we can simplify the numbers by taking 12 and subtracting 1/2. To do that, we need a common denominator. 12 can be written as 12 over 1. Giving it a common denominator of 2, we will multiply numerator and denominator by 2, making this 24 halves minus 1/2, which gives us 23 halves. So in combining these two like terms, or like radicals, we get 23 halves y to the 4th square roots of 3. And now we're all done.